What's up, y'all? If y'all follow me on TikTok, y'all would have seen this bomb unit that I installed. So here is the whole tutorial on this beautiful unit from West Kiss Hair. Keep watching. One thing about West Kiss Hair that I really like is that they always send you a lot of goodies that come with your wig. So you get all this stuff with your wig, and I love the little satin bags. So today we have a 34-inch deep wave 13x4 lace front wig, and she is, as you can see, super duper full. She is 250% density, perfect just in time for summer. This lace is nice and flexible, and it melted right in with my scalp. So I did want to pinpoint and highlight that. It was very good lace on this wig, which is essential for a bomb wig install. Here you just see me cutting my lace, and I started doing this technique a lot more because it gets a better cut when I'm trying to cut like the shape of my hairline, because it just makes it look a lot more natural. So I'm done with the Got to Be gel. I sometimes like to spray the freeze spray on my hairline just so when the wig dries all the way down, it's not like kind of crusty. It does seem to get crusty like if I use too much gel, so the freeze spray definitely helps. I recommend using a razor comb when cutting baby hairs because it gives it a lot more natural look. To reactivate my curls, I used water, and to keep them nice and crunchy and not, I don't like the super big look. So to keep the hair tame, I used Lotta Body foam, setting foam or something like that. It just keeps the hair all together, especially because it's so thick that it definitely helped. Here is the final look. The hairline is bomb. The hair is bomb. The wig in general was just very pretty and just in time for summer. So if you did want to try this wig out yourself, everything on her will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much to West Kids Hair, and I'll see you guys in my next one.